Good morning. Start of week 2 on this landscaping project. We're going to start probably getting some slabbing down today and some other bits and pieces. Still a bit unsure yet because still got to wait for the skip to be exchanged, just so we can get rid of all that big massive pile of spoils there. So yeah, what we'll probably do now is just get ready to start getting all the slabbing down, and yeah, hopefully we can get some good work done today. Weather seems not too bad as well, so yeah, let's get to it. See you in a bit. Good morning. Week 2, day 2 on this landscaping project. Just starting to remove all the spoils now, just so we can start looking at where we're going to put our decking, and we'll get that all levelled off today. We laid a Magnum grey patio yesterday. We got all the way down to where the sheets are, and it looks like really beautiful stuff, to be truthful. It's like a marble effect, so it does look really nice, to be truthful, once it's all been cleaned off. We've got the first layer of border all the way along there as well. So yeah, we're definitely going somewhere. Hopefully we can get all them spoils moved today, get that all levelled off, and then we'll see what the rest of the day plans out. But yeah, thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe, and I do really appreciate your comments and your support as well. It does really mean the world to us. So yeah, let's get to it. Morning, started day 3 on this landscaping project. Just going to give you a little spin round now. Got the nice little grub wagon, getting rid of all our mess. There's Owen. So yeah, it's going to give you a quick little spin round now to show you what we got up to yesterday. It's starting to get a little bit cold now, which is a bit of a pain, but I'd rather have that than the wet stuff, so happy days. So yeah, yesterday we got quite a little bit done, weren't too bad at all really. Felt a little bit slow, but the day yesterday just went. It was so quick, it was unreal. But as you can see now, the decking framework there, we'll have to go around the tree just to make it look a little bit better. Again, I mentioned this on one of my last videos that we do put pea gravel down, a little bit of geotextile fabric, just to make it the working conditions a little bit better. I say, because obviously if you're walking through here, you're going to create quite a lot of mud, which obviously we don't really want, to be truthful, because it's a bit of a mess otherwise. But yeah, we're definitely winning now. The garden's starting to take shape. That's the patio there as well. Does need obviously a really good clean, just because people have been walking on it and stuff like that. That's the water feature now with all the different layers of gravel in there. It's still going to come up just a little bit more, and then we'll start doing the plumbing once all the fittings come from the water feature shop. Highly recommend them as well. They're a great company to work with, and they've got amazing products. So yeah, hopefully today we can get all the framework in. That would be absolutely amazing in the border. So then tomorrow we can finish the composite decking, which would be amazing. I'd be really happy if we could get that done by tomorrow. That would then leave Friday then to start doing the water feature and whatever else we can get done this week. So just got to keep pushing and hopefully get this job done in the next couple of weeks. So thanks for watching, and yeah, see you in a bit. Good morning. Bit of a chilly start this morning, -2 at the moment, but we've still got lots of woodwork and that to do, so we can still get quite a lot done today anyway, so we'll be all good. Just going to give you a quick spin round now to see what we got up to yesterday, and then we'll get straight to the time lapse. As you can see now, all the decking frame all been done, it's all been painted just to give it that little bit extra chance of lasting that a bit longer. All the patio was cleaned all yesterday, took all the spaces out as well, so that looks absolutely stunning now. So yeah, we're really winning, we're not doing too bad. Hopefully by the end of this week we can get the composite decking done and the water feature, and that'd be amazing. Then next week then we can start potentially doing the slabbing long as the weather warms up just a touch. So at least we can give everything a little bit more chance to set correctly. So yeah, thanks for watching and see you in a bit.
When you're down and feeling like you're lonely, someone else out there feels just like you. Go outside and be kind to a stranger. Watch what happens every time you do, yeah. Make your own sunshine. Smile 'cause it's alright. Your heart's a red kite, let it lift you up. Can you feel the
Good morning, it's Friday again, which is absolutely great. Just going to give you a little bit of an update on the garden now, and then we'll get straight to the time lapse. Just going to give you a quick spin round, and then yeah, let's have a go. As you can see now, all that decking area just there, that's all pretty much complete now. We have got LED lights as well, which run all the way around it, just to brighten up the area and brighten up the pathways as well. Yesterday, we started to get all the water feature all plumbed in, started putting a few character boulders around it just to basically make the water feature look a little bit more smaller, I think, because it is quite a large feature, just trying to blend it in its natural surroundings just a touch more. That's the little fire element just on top of here, which will create a nice natural flame. So yeah, we're doing really well on this project. Week 2, to be fair, can't really ask for much more really. Today we'll try and get all the electrics in, all the cables in as well, get that all ready. The electrician should be here around about 10 o'clock, just to get all that plumbed in, just to get the uplights on the trees, get all the plugs, sockets all installed and that as well. So that'll be a big push for the job as well, so I'm quite happy about that. So yeah, thanks for watching, like, comment and subscribe, and yeah, let's get to it. Hello, end of week 2 on this landscaping project. We've done really well this week, to be truthful. We've got some composite decking down, porcelain patio, and we've now completed the water feature. There's still quite a bit of touching up to do and a few other bits and pieces in between, but we're definitely getting there. So I'll give you a quick spin round now, and yeah, let's have a look. As you can see now, that's all the porcelain patio there as well, which looks absolutely fantastic. There's the composite decking area that we've got there. All lighting all the way around, and then there's 2 little lights there as well, just to give the flower bed a little bit of illumination. These are the pebble stones that we'll be using, not in that exact configuration, but we'll be changing it to make it look a lot more better. This here is the water feature that we completed. It has the fire element there, stack-state sphere. We've turned the bottom of the sphere into another little spillway bowl, just for obviously for birds to bath and have a little bit of a drink from, and that goes all the way around there as well. This has got 6 lights on it, so it will be lit up very well once it's all done, but I'll give you another little video of that in a minute once it goes dark. So yeah, we've got all the uplights on the trees, all there, all done as well. So yeah, we're doing really well. I'm quite happy, to be truthful. It's been a little bit cold this week, but we've still soldiered on and got exactly what we needed to get done. So yeah, happy days. Week 3 next week on this landscaping project. Thanks again for all your comments, subscribing, and obviously all your feedback as well. I really do appreciate it. So yeah, thanks for watching. Have a good weekend, and yeah, see you next week.